Fruits that can help ease depression. The healing power of fruits. Incorporating certain fruits into your diet can significantly contribute to better mental health. Here's a list of fruits known for their mood-boosting properties. 1. Bananas. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and alleviate depression. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to depression. 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is known to reduce stress and improve overall mood. The refreshing scent of citrus fruits can also have an uplifting effect. 4. Apples. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating apples helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing mood swings and depression. 5. Avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can help reduce symptoms of depression. 6. Grapes are a good source of antioxidants and polyphenols, which have been shown to improve brain function and mood. 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help combat depression and anxiety. 8. Cherries. Cherries contain melatonin, which helps regulate sleep. Good sleep is crucial for maintaining a positive mood and mental health. 9. Pineapple. Pineapples are high in bromelain and vitamin C, both of which help improve mood and reduce stress. 10. Kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can boost mood and alleviate symptoms of depression. Incorporate these fruits for a happier life. Adding these fruits to your daily diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your mood and combat depression. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, salads, or as a healthy snack to reap their full benefits. Remember, while these fruits can help improve mood, they are not a substitute for professional medical treatment. If you or someone you know is struggling with depression, seek help from a healthcare provider.